Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to find someone on Telegram using their ID or username. This can help us quickly locate a person without needing their name or phone number. We will walk you through each step so you can easily search and connect with them. On your Telegram dashboard on your PC, to find someone using their Telegram ID, we just need to click the search bar. Then type the ID we want to search for. For example, we have a user ID, Andy. As you can see, it appears here in the chat and contacts. Now, when we enter it here, it will load the profile of the person we searched for using the ID. It is really simple. We just need to type the user ID in the search bar, and that's all there is to it. We have now learned how to find someone on Telegram using their ID. From here, we can easily connect with people on the platform.